I want to tell you about kind of the East Coast, West Coast, this whole synthesizer thing that went on in the 60s and 70s. But no one ever talks about the upper Midwest, lower Midwest synthesizer rivalry that was quite famous for some of the most ugly synths you've ever seen. And that's Phrygian mode, if you know anything. These are Bud Hooley signatures. I had them made a long time ago when I was with my first fiance. I hear that, yeah. And that's actually made, the skin is made from the spleen of a great panda. You just don't hear anything like that anymore, right? Sometimes bands want to sound like their hero, they're someone specific. And a lot of times what they need to sound like is something that is completely different than what they want, you know? And that's actually one of the last things that John Lennon said to me before he passed. Yeah. I have this new band that's coming pretty soon here. The lead singer in typical prima donna fashion is going to be coming later tomorrow, but we should probably get them in here. We gotta get going, okay? Oh, yeah.
It feels like I lost my touch. It sounds like best be a distraction. I need you keeping on. I'll look for a bandage to soothe my aching arm. It feels like I lost my touch. It sounds like I've lost my touch. It seems like I've lost my touch. It sounds like I lost my touch. Looks good, I'll get on that. When Monday rolls around, now the tongue's in the other cheek, and I sweat